it's hard to compare the difference. Headlight, they have different issues, uh, different stuff on the surface. His headlight wasn't peeling as bad as your headlight was. Your headlight had more, it was peeling more. The layer on top of the headlight that actually protect the lens. But when you look at it, overall your headlight's gonna look better than this headlight.
Yeah.
And you never really damn know, because his headlight wasn't as bad. I guess since your headlight was worse, it's gonna look better.
Right.
Sometimes worse headlights still look good, but not as good as headlight that wasn't bad. Then you got headlight that was bad, and they turn out to look real good.
Yeah.
These headlights are turning out real good.
Yeah, these headlights look insane. That's just cut, dude. That's.
And it's gonna look like that too. I'm actually surprised, and that's just the third step on the headlight. Look at that.
God damn.
All right, time for the 20. It's a good day. I'm able to do 2 headlight restorations.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate the help.
See, man, y'all guys be helping me, man. That's what we do.
Yup.
You gotta look out for the people that look out for you. I just learned how to do headlights this way maybe 5 years. I've been doing headlights for over 20, and I was changing with the times. You know, people coming up with different chemicals and different methods, so I was coming up with them. I remember the time I was actually using sandpaper and the water without the palm sander that I got. Over there, before I even had that, I was using sandpaper, spray bottle, spray the headlight down, take the sandpaper, and scuff it up. I was using 2 different types of sandpaper, but it still wasn't looking as good as still looking now.
Yeah.
The best thing they came up with, or the best thing happened for me, was when the guy showed me how to use the palm sander.
There you go.
When he showed me what the palm sander could do, that's been it.
Because it takes out so much of the elbow grease.
Right. And it's easier on your hand.
Yep.
I don't know if you noticed when I was working it, the palm sander, in some of the areas I kept on stroking it. It's hard to keep taking your hand with chemicals and water and with the sandpaper pushing it, right?
Yeah.
Even though they had a brick that hold the sandpaper, this is a whole lot better.
Yeah.
You know, eventually, things changed, you know. That was one of the better changes of doing headlights. So we got first stage sandpaper and palm sander, second stage palm sander and different type of different grit of sandpaper. Third stage we had glaze. Fourth stage is going to be the carnauba wax. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this headlight up. Then we'll go over there and finish that one. We're coming close to the end. You got carnauba wax in the can. Like this carnauba wax right here you can use. Then people are buying that ceramic coating wax. I'm gonna buy a kit just to see how well this stuff works. But even if it works well, everything I'm using my high speed to bump the last 2 steps in. I like being able to have control of what I do. And this high speed bumper gives me the control I'm looking for. It's been a while since I did 2 headlights in one day. I'm gonna wipe this down and you can finish video in the whole headlight. Then I'm going over there do the last 2 steps on the passenger one.
Alright,
And like you said, you gotta run it through the car wash.
yep.
And that'll even be better. I like that, man. That turned out real good.
Yeah, it turned out real nice. Holy shit.
Okay, let me go over here and do the second doodle. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. You get this one, and then I got one more. This is the glaze, and I got the carnauba coming up last. Good about this is everything I'm using belongs to me. It's not no company-owned stuff. Hit it with the carnauba, it's gonna be a condemn. It's time for you to run it through the car. I'm glad you got those apple pictures you can show your girl.
Yup. Yeah, she'll be really happy about this.
Good.
That's for sure.
Good.
It's her baby.
I know it's difficult dealing with you like it is with me with the women.
Yeah, yeah.
I was able to have a hard time. But hey, we good dudes. That's our town. You see this, she'll be known. That's one of the reasons why she with you. That you take care of.
Yeah. I mean, she takes care of me, so.
Right. Well, you supposed to look out for her. That's what a couple do. You have each other back.
Right.
You're not going to always agree, but you have each other back. Man, I wouldn't have never thought this headlight was going to come out this good, my man.
Yeah, seriously, it's kind of insane. Holy shit. It's like a new car, bro.
I wouldn't have never gave you this. Not like this.
Right, no.
Oh man, I did 2 successful headlights today.
Hell yeah, man.
2 co-workers that been had my back.
Yeah.
Ever since they started working here. Tell you, no better feeling than that. Doing something for somebody that got your back. I'm glad you could get in on it. You know what I told myself? I said, once you told me you wanted it done, I would stay here till after 6 to do your headlight. But I wasn't planning on it.
Yeah.
Know why? Because I was going to make it happen before 6.
I wouldn't have made you do that, man.
You wouldn't have been making me. Once I found out you really wanted it done, because you wasn't here when I was asking them guys.
Yeah.
And when I asked Jackson, he was ready. So when you let me know you ready too, I was gonna get it done, man.
Hell yeah,
You've
man.
been looking out for me. It ain't always convenient looking out for people, but you look out for them because they look out for you.
Yes.
These headlights turned out pretty good, my man. I am really surprised. All right.
Hell yeah.